Hi,
Mommy, I want to go to the pool over there with my swimsuit on.
Yeah.
Oh, ano na? Can I swim over there? Let's ano na? Yay! Because Daddy said we can swim.
Mamu! Hindi ko alam sa'yo, Daddy.
Thank you very much. You're so kind.
To give Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you ask for it, Dad?
Yeah. Tulog ng isa.
Patay tayo dyan.
Oo.
Busis, ha?
Hindi naman natulog eh. Nare-ready lang dyan. Nung nag-training kami, ito kami na.
Ang daming tao talaga ngayon. Fully booked talaga ngayon.
Full dito na dyan. Yung mga foreigner, wala mo.
Mamu! Sana naman si Aba? Get lost again.
What I see?
Where?
I see some. It's over there.
Yes.
Oh, it's in Enchanted Kingdom.
What?
The
Enchanted
direction is
Kingdom.
Enchanted Kingdom.
Wow!
Oh, there's fireworks over there.
That's nice.
Kuya Saint saw it.
Yep.
Like it, Kuya?
Wow, I like it. It's from Enchanted Kingdom.
Yeah.
What's great to go. Will be.
You noticed that? It's so layo. You
Can we
noticed
sleep
it?
now? It was just a little like that, like.
Wow,
See, ano,
I
like.
think that's the end. Because it's open. Yeah, it's the end.
I catch that in time.
Yeah, you catch it in time.
Did I catch it in time? Again.
What did you say?
Mommy, Mommy, I miss Papa so much. He always abandoned my things. And I'm sad. But he always helps me when fixing my toys.
Mm.
So I miss Papa so much.
Okay.
Bye.
What this one?
Me too, I miss Papa. He makes me. He always helps me take out things.
Take
That
out
are
things?
Stuck, that are stuck.
Yeah. How about you, Saki? You miss Papo too? Kamukha mo ate mo? Kamukha mo ate mo?
Here.
This one? No. This one? No. Doesn't look like. Looks like ate. I'm so sleepy pa, kuya.
But it's already morning.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm this one. I want to press the G floor. Okay, G floor. G floor. Wait.
Is that the right, ano? I think,
Yan, tama. Keep ko nga. Doon nyo talaga misto din.
Ang sakit.
dun mismo.
Kasi yung second floor, para sa mga Philippine sa international volleyball.
Okay.
May gatas to.
Dun po breakfast?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Pansin.
Is it enough? Hi guys, we're gonna. Hi, we're gonna swim we will finish up. But we're just gonna eat first while we're eating with the swimming pool. Okay?
Okay.
Slippery side, slippery side, slippery side.
O, this one, yung kutsara mo, nahawak mo. O, bitawan mo na. O, this one, o, this one. O, this one, this one.
Ano, kain ka, ma? Ano, gusto mo? May ano doon? Coffee. Good coffee. Ano ang pagawa? Cappuccino. Kaya kain ka doon.
Doon, merong ano doon.
Oo nga.
Guama.
Gusto mo na ibang may flavor na juice? Meron doon.
Tara, kumain ka tapatir.
Mama, doon na. Dali, baka makakain.
Dali, bigyan natin yung kapatid ko. Mag-selfie tayo habang kumakain.
Wala ka kang gawin. Kayo, kumain na kayo. Kumain ka. Kumama kayo sa loob.
How about your food?
May salad doon, ma. Ano siya? Kain kayo ng sibuyas.
Tawa mo naman tong isa. Hindi pa. Dalawang kutsara na eh. Ay! Ito na. Diyos ko po. Okay.
Makatikim naman. O, diba?
Pwedeng maano eh. Oh, anak.
Ito sabi lang, masarap pala kinakain yun. Ano? Plato pa ito. Kutsara lang yun. Okay, leave it there. Leave it there, baby.
No, that's not all I got.
Pwede na din ba ito ng taho, mamo?
Sabagay, ano naman yun?
Sak, ano tinitignan mo, Sak?
Yung kami ni Lola niya.
Ano tinitignan mo, Sak?
Cutest baby.
Ha?
Saan? Calling me naman eh. Hey! Tita, we'll do a selfie with us.
Sorry. Lola!
Lola!
Come here!
Hindi, mama. Kaya.
Hindi siya malalim.
O, yun ang masarap, no? Mainit naman yung tubig, no?
Mainit din. Ligo na ba?
Uy, makakaranas naman ako ng may video, te.
Go! Let's jump!
Jump! 0.6? Okay.
Ayaw kasi bumaba doon sa ano.
Naka-landscape lang to, ah.
Mami, sino?
Dali, ah.
Daddy, look at this. Mommy is still sleeping.
Mama, ay, huwag ka na kumawak dyan. Ayaw mo kumayo eh. Gising? Gising na si Saki. Hindi ba nilagay dito, ano?
Dalat baka maano yung ano ni Sing.
Walang gagalaw dyan, man.
Hindi na, kaya alam baka maano ng tubig. Ayun no, maano ng tubig.
Hindi, radyo na mosquito eh.
Say, makairit.
Ito lang kayo, ito may video. Ayan, sakop naman kayo. Aba! Aba, baby!
Lagay mo nga doon sa ano?
Oo nga, pwede.
Let me go check on Saki.
Be, gusto mo ligo?
Hindi na.
Gusto mo dagat?
O, yan na, ha. Naka-video na kayo dyan.
Saki! Kaya mo ba akong buhatin ba? Kaya ka bang buhatin, Tita? Opo. Yan ang kaya-kayang buhatin. Aba, ay ba't na ano ka dyan?
Ano, makaya? Talon-talon lang.
Hindi kami magkakalimulo mo. Hindi ka naman kaya mo naman mataas.
Saki, si...
Si Saki? Laki din. Walang damit. Saki! Pwede naman si, ano, nakagay yung lalaki. Ayun, ayun, ayun.
Ikaw, mama, gusto mo mag-floating, ma?
Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko. Wait, yan. Okay na ako dito. Ha? Ganito lang lalaki. Ito lang ako lalaki. Oo.
Pero kanina umaga, tinagawa ko na ikuha. Kasi every morning may kukuya. Kaya sa kukuha. Nagtutuwari sa lang ako.
Love you, Lucky Boy. I love you, Lucky
Mommy don't know how to.
I'm the winner! Who's the winner?
Like that, our
Hi, guys.
Okay, Mom. Hi. Guys, are you ready?
Let's go, anak. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh, a house.
Everybody, it's my soccer. Just like Daddy's phone. I put some balls there.
Let's go na, anak. We need to go na.
Okay.
Oh, you say bye-bye to your friend.
I want to go up there.
No. Dito, anak.
I want to go upstairs and I want to go to the playroom there.
Yeah, let's go na. Let's go. Anak, we need to go na.
Are we gonna go home? Jenga. Mommy, are we gonna go home?
Yeah. It's okay.
But I just want to play over there.
But it's time to go home na.
But why?
Why? This is a hotel. This is not our home. You want us to make a home like this? Huh?
Okay, then we make a home like this.
Yeah, we'll make a home like
We'll
this.
make some trees like that.
There's ice cream at home. Let's go.
Kasi yung ano mo?
Ano?
Cellphone ko.